Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card on your phone in just a few simple steps. All you need is your phone, the Amazon app or Safari browser and your Amazon gift card. Make sure you are logged into your account. First open the Amazon app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store or go to amazon.com in Safari. Tap the menu icon with the three lines, then tap your account and scroll down and tap gift cards, then tap redeem a gift card, then scratch the back of your gift card to reveal the code. Type the code in the box or scan with your camera if the options appears, then tap apply to your balance. If the card is valid, the gift card amount will instantly be added to your Amazon balance, and that's it. Your balance will automatically be used at checkout. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.